So you probably know that it's quite easy to get pomegranates here in Spain, especially in our region, Andalusia. So we've gotten a few, I would say, and now I'm trying to make a pomegranate juice out of them. So that's how you do it without blender or any fancy kitchen appliances. So you just basically cut the pomegranate in half, you extract all the arils, and yeah, then you just simply squeeze them using some sort of a tool like that, which you normally use for your potato mash. And yeah, you make a juice out of the arils using the sieve. I mean, it's quite of a brute method, but guess the result. Cool.